Home Depot. I am about to make a bed for my bedroom. No, that's too thin. Yeah, I want the no, I want to go with the this wood right here. Damn. Like something like this. This wood is hard. Oh.
That's why I said when I start making speaker box, I'm going to cut it. That'll cut my price down.
Yeah. So, how much are these?
What, these thin ones?
No, that one down there. No, I'm about to just show people that I'm making a bed. So, I'm at Home Depot and I'm getting the cut. They're cutting it for us. And I got the measurement. So, disclaimer, y'all. I didn't use that staples or those staple guns. I end up using the electrical one that you plug up in the wall. I end up getting that foam stuff off of Amazon. You put it on. Both of those packages came from Amazon. My son is gonna help me. Like I said, that it's a king size bed. I ain't about to hand staple nothing. This is serious DIY. My son and my daughter was helping out. My daughter was recording, and my son was helping me screw it in. We didn't make those screws were too long. Y'all, it's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna tell y'all. I just, went in on this DIY, do it yourself. But it still came out nice, once I put my little spin to it. But, I'm gonna tell y'all, get some smaller screws. And we end up going with the MDF board. So, like I said, those screws were too long. Damn, y'all always get on here and be yarning. We should have went with some smaller screws instead of going with those longer screws. They wasn't that much. They was off by like they was too long. We should have went with like some 1 inches, but it's cool though, I still end up covering it, but don't make the same mistakes as I'm telling you in this video. And you don't need a big of a board. And what I'm doing on this part right now is me and my son screwing on the legs to hold the headboard up. So, and the part that the side boards is going to be connected to. And like I said, and the same thing that I do on the headboard, because you're going to see me skip out this part, go to the footboard and come back in the video and do the headboard. So, y'all continue to watch.
No, this. Like that. Then you go down, push it down now.
I ain't trying to screw the. We'll fuck around and screw the floor in.
Well, who gonna see the floor though? Alright.
Okay, now go put something up here. There you go. Scoot over a little bit. You think we should put something in the middle?
Yeah.
Or this Okay. Now, let's do the other one. You tired, Ty? Okay. Get us the other one. You can come back to you. You can show us if you need to. If need be. This how far it's going up, y'all. And like that's the footboard. And then the sideboard is right there. So that's how far me and Ty drilled up. I mean, you still can see it. It still look nice.
No, you gotta have her doing that.
Now I'm just taking the cardboard things and, letting it guide me how spaced out I want my little fold things to be on the headboard. So this gonna give me a guide of where I want the foam to go in between those little line things. And I'm just stapling it on. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the footboard. So it's gonna be in detail. I'm trying to get it as detailed as possible so you guys can see it. So like I said, I just take this little card, and I think I got the cardboard. It's like a furniture cardboard. I don't know what it's called, y'all, but I got it off of Amazon, and it wasn't number like $9 for a big roll, especially especially for this size project. I keep yarning. I gotta stop it. Every time I'm about to record, I always yarn. I don't know what it is, y'all. So like I said, I'm just stapling wrong. Once I'm done stapling, I did the whole way through on the board. Even like I said, even on the footboard. So this give me a guide of where I need my where I want to lay my phone at, where I need to cut it at. So now I'm getting a 1-inch phone. Mind you, they didn't have the 2-inch is expensive. So what I did was I bought a pack of 3. They came in a pack for $59. The 1-inch phone, and it was like 72 inches long. And all I did was cut them into the squares. See what I'm talking about? And then I took another one and put it on top, so it could give it that extra padding. Because like I said, the 2-inch phone was expensive, and for a project this big, you gotta I had to make do. I had to make do. And then I'm gonna take that, like I said, spray the Gorilla spray, and then put another on top. Put the phone in so to make it 2 inches instead of 1. The thickness. I'm gonna do this for the footboard as well, y'all. And then I'm gonna take that that cotton fabric-y stuff. I don't know what it's called, y'all. And then I'm gonna just put that on top of there. Yeah, see me cutting it? I'm putting it on top. I'm gonna spray the phone and then put that on top of there. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all watch it. I'm explaining it horrible. That's because I'm tired too. Okay, stop recording. So keep watching. See, and I'm gonna take the fabric and put it on top, and I'm gonna staple the fabric. And then the next one, I'm going to staple on top of the fabric. I'm cutting the fabric to the size. I mean, it's a lot of ways on how you do this bed. You just gotta find one that resonate with you, find a video that resonate with you, that can show you how to do it the way that you need it to be done. Find the easier way. I figured the way I did it was the hard way, and I just felt like, and I'm just covering up the bottom part of the bed, the leg part, where I'm gonna be connecting the sideboards at with the L brackets. So, like I said, just do it an easy way that's fine. Because, I mean, this is cool, to each his own. I got some imperfections on the headboard, but it did good for me. I'm gonna get some pillows and cover it up. So, I hope you get an idea on how to do this from my video. But if not, it's other videos out here that can show you how to do this bed. But yeah, like I said, this was a big project, this king size bed. And now I'm doing the footboard. That's why it's a little shorter. The same thing I did on the headboard. I used those strips to guide my what is it called? The toughening thing. And then I'm gonna take like I said, cut the foam, the 1-inch foam, and I'm gonna stack them on top of each other to make it a 2-inch. Cause now it's just a 1-inch. Cause I want that thickness, that fluffiness. Yeah. To make it easier, y'all can use an electric knife to cut this stuff. I'm just using a regular box razor. It took some time, but I mean, it got the job done. So keep watching.
Or that's enough.
Back up.
You talking about art? That's enough. That's enough.
Watch out, Jelly.
You gotta put it together, mommy. Put it together. Hang on.
That's a powerful statement.
Mom, over there.
So yeah, in the next clip, I tell y'all not to this is the reason why I want y'all to start in the middle so it could be seamless, because you about to see exactly what I'm about to do. So when I'm done with this little situation right here, the next one, in the next clip, I'm gonna have you lay the fabric on top of that one, staple it, and then put the other fabric, and then do the same thing I did on this one. Y'all gonna see in a minute what I'm talking about. See, I cut the fabric to the same size as the first one I did. See right there? I laid it the opposite way. This is why I say start in the middle. Lay it the opposite way and staple it. See with my fingers so I can flip it over. That's why I say start in the middle so it can be seamless. Then, like I said, I didn't get the sideboards on there. I thought I had the clip of the sideboards. I didn't. I was moving and grooving. I was going when I be in these DIYs. Sometimes I forget that I'm recording, and I have to have somebody to record for me, because it won't stay on my tripod. It'll tilt over. So would I have to have one of the kids or somebody to do it? And like I said, this was a big project. So all I'm thinking about is getting it done. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I'm trying to get this content out for y'all. I don't just want to just throw anything out there. But for the sideboards, all I did was take the 1 inch. I didn't double up the fabric like I did on the footboard and the headboard. All I did was I kept it 1 inch, and I, sprayed the glue stuff on there, stuck the foam on top of the board, and took that little fabric stuff, like you see me folding over right there, sprayed it on top of the foam, and I put the fabric, staple the fabric. Y'all gonna see my son holding up the sideboard. Y'all gonna get an idea. And I didn't put no felt on the back of it. So it's exposed. I was trying to keep this on a low budget, cost effective. It might look ghetto, but once I put the bed down, you ain't gonna be able to see it. Like I said, and then I just stapled the fabric on there, and I not only added the L brackets is because the simple fact I'm not gonna be building the bottom of the bed. I'm just building the frame part, just the footboard, the headboard, and the sideboards. I'm using one of those little metal frames that you sit your bed on top of, and I'm gonna have a footboard and a headboard on there. So, and it's gonna be covered up. And the measurements for this bed was, the sideboards was 85, but you could go shorter because mine was a little longer. The sideboards was 85, and the footboard and the headboard was 85 as well. So, and like I said, I'm doing the king size bed. And that, don't worry about them staples being exposed. This is not even the top. This is the bottom of the you see where you can see those staples on the other end where it was seamless, because I showed you in a video before then. You ain't gonna be able to see footboard, the staples. Those it's gonna be that it was upside down. And I cut less of the fabric, so see those imperfections, but it's cool though.
This is what it looks like.
My son was holding the footboard.
So you holding the sideboard?
The sideboard. Sorry,
sideboard. But yeah, it's imperfections.
It's got a couple of imperfections. Yes, it do. I was like I said, I was in a rush,
baby.
But yeah. And also, like I said, like I just put a frame down. So the L brackets is just to hold it together.
So we're going to be taking this.
Yep, you see those rail things?
And we're going to put it in the middle.